Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you the clickable envelope design. So let me show you. Here is the link. The website is open. You can see this and I click here. So this is the clickable envelope design. You can create this also. So at first you have to go canva.com. This is the home page of Canva. Here you can find the website create new option. Click this option, then the website page will be opened. So here you can design this envelope. At first go to the element tab. Here you can search flower. Go to the videos section. From here you can choose any flower video. I will choose this. So I will choose this one. Then you have to search envelope. Here is so many options, but you have to choose one envelope which is closed and open also. Okay, so you have to match the color. Now you have to place this envelope, closed envelope, in this page. This is the first page. Okay, then we have to search wax seal, golden wax seal. Also you can search golden wax silk. Uh, so here you will find many kind of silks. I choose this one, place it here. Then you have to type here something. So I will choose the text option, add a heading. Here you can type your text. Okay. So you have to choose a elegant font. This is handwriting font section. You can choose some font from here. Okay, I choose this font. Decrease the line spacing and put the text here. You can also increase the size of this text. Sorry, decrease the size of this text. Then you have to write another text. And this is click to open text. We have to change the font Courier Prime and decrease the text size. Okay, so our first page is ready. Then we have to duplicate this page. Then in the page number 2, the seal, we can move here and delete this envelope and this text also. Then we go to the envelope section and choose the open envelope. This is the envelope. You can move it. You can rotate this like this. Then you have to search wedding card texture. In the graphics section, you will find some card option. So here is it. Then we rotate this. Okay. We have to place the text here. So for the text, I will now add some dummy text. Okay. So go to the template section. Here we search wedding card invitation. Then we will find some this type of typography. So here is such options. You can choose from here. So add a page, and from here this is the text. We'll group it and copy it here. Paste it. Paste the text and rotate and place this in the card like this. Okay. So here is the information of the wedding card, and you have to group this card and this text together. Okay. Then you have to move the card, and this envelope you have to uh, divide the front part. So you have to go the edit option, and in the tools option you can find the magic grab. Here you can choose the brush option and brush the front part of this envelope like this. Okay, so you have to brush this portion so the front part will be detached from the back part. So I click the grab option and magic grab. So you can see the front part is separated. Then we have to place this card in this. Okay. And next we have to animate option. You have to go to the animate option and create an animation. Click create an animation and drag this like, and movement style. Choose the movement style smooth and click done. So this is complete. Voxel move behind the envelope. Then you have to delete the third page, and in the first page you have to link with the second page. So in the first page we select the text first and link option. Go to the link option, just right click and go to the link option and click page 2 and done. Remove the underline, and we also done this with every element of this page. So link the second text also like the first text, then link the element also, then link the envelope also. Okay, so I linked everything with the page 2. Okay, so our design is ready to publish. So you have to click the publish website and your website will be published. Create from here you have to click publish option, then preparing your design and you will see the result. So view your website option. Here you can see the video is playing in the background, and if I click to open, if I click in this text, click to open text, then the result is happening. So you can see it once more, then it will be smooth. Okay, so this is the clickable envelope video. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, then subscribe our channel and please like, comment and share also. Thank you.